Welcome all. Thank you for watching this video. Today topic is multiprocessing in Python. My name is Abhijit Patro. Agenda or what you learn from this video today. Introduction to multiprocessing. Key concepts of multiprocessing. Advantages of multiprocessing. Basic examples. When to use multiprocessing with some real-time example. Introduction to multiprocessing, that is what is multiprocessing. Multiprocessing enables parallel execution of code. It is useful for CPU bound tasks. It bypasses the global interpreter lock, that is GIL. Previously you learned about about threading. Actually threading does not bypass global interpreter lock or GIL properly, and using multiprocessing we can bypass it. Enhances performance on multi-core processors. Key concepts of multiprocessing. Processes or process. It independent execution unit. That is, each process is an independent execution unit pool that manages multiple work processes. Queue, it facilitates communication between processes, that is communication between different processes. Lock synchronizes access to shared resources. Advantages of multiprocessing. It leverages multiple core processor. Avoid GIL limitation in Python. Ideal for computationally intensive tasks. It enables concurrent execution. Let's see an example. That is a Python code for multiprocessing. We have to import process. From multiprocessing we need to import process. We need to declare a function, that is using def worker underscore function, with there will be no parameter, that is first bracket open and first bracket closed only. After that clone, that is colon sign. Then you can print under single quotation, or you can use double quotation to worker process executing. You need to check if underscore name underscore equals to under single quotation underscore main underscore single quotation end. After that colon, that is we check whether name is equals to main or not. Then you have to write process equals to process. Here process is a function like under first bracket target equals to worker underscore function, and worker underscore function is the function we define here. Process dot start to start the process, that is multiprocess. Process dot join to join with other process. When to use multiprocessing, that is real-time application, or where we can use multiprocessing. We can use multiprocessing in computationally heavy tasks that benefits from parallelism, that is we can work together, we can perform the work concurrently or parallelly, avoiding GIL benchmark or bottleneck, real-time simulations or in case of data analysis. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, any query, any suggestion, you can, or any suggestion, you can post it in comment in the channel or in your community. Thank you.